Hey, good day. It's Jeffrey Howells, carpet cleaning here, and we are at a care home. Typically, in these private care homes, what you end up having is residents living upstairs and tenants living below. So you always got, in most cases, I've been in some that the entire thing has been one level, and you have half and half. Where tenants on one side and residents on the other. So what we're gonna do is I've placed our cleaning equipment. I've got it staged along the side of the house of what we need to do a what I call a clean supreme down below, and then we are going to be doing a clean supreme with a scrub and steam down here as well. So that's why I've got the 175 over there. Now, regardless of what level of clean we do, which we've broken down to a straight clean, a clean supreme, and a premium, and each one of those has a pet, I'm sorry, not each one of those, just the premium has the ability to upgrade to a pet premium, which then allows, which then we are using a CRB to do a lot of the matted hair grooming, and that also includes, your topical urine treatment and all that. But in most cases, our sodium carbonate and peroxide is very effective on urine. So unless you're dealing with large amounts of urine, generally our pre-spray that we have been using is more than sufficient. So we'll discuss packages in another video as to the why and the reason for why you'd want to do it, and how it kind of gives you an advantage when you're talking on the phone, giving as a sales marketing aspect or a tool. It does have a little bit of an advantage. Alright, I'm just about to get started, and what I've done is be sure to place corner guards everywhere that makes sense to place a corner guard. Cover the floors. Coming up here, you see we've got another corner guard here. We got another corner guard there. Our stair hook, we go ahead and we wrap that in tape just to prevent metal from being on metal, because the rubber that they do come like coated in like a rubber or whatever, that wears off really fast. So it would probably behoove you to go ahead and rewrap those with like tape, just to add some extra padding, so you're not tearing away at paint or grinding away at metal against metal if you're putting it on. These don't have, like that metal hook there. That's generally where you would hang it, but we're just going to go ahead and put it there because we don't have any other hooks. And then we've got 3 bedrooms about this size up here, so we're going to go ahead, pre-spray what we can, agitate with the grinding groom brush, and then we'll go ahead and steam it out. Now, we're doing that upstairs because obviously you just don't have the soil and debris on the upper levels of the home as you do down below, so the agitation factor isn't quite as necessary. However, it does get the same steam out up here, so they do get very well rinsed. It does pull out quite a bit. You might have a little urine there, so I'm always just kind of looking for telltale signs of anything you might need to pay a little bit of attention to and add a little bit more pre-spray too. Alright, and because I use these F-style jugs, one thing that I do is I will pre-make these, our granules up in these Gatorade bottles, and then I'll just go ahead and dump that concentrate solution that we've already made up into this gallon jug, and that just kind of speeds up the process while we're working. Okay, we're anchored off at the top of the stairs, got our guards up. We are ready to go. Water's up to about 220 psi, about 500. We're going to give it a good steam, but we're also going to give it a really good extraction. So I'm going to come in here, grab my wand, and go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm here at Taco Bell, and I just had to point this out. See, you can hire a cheap carpet cleaner to clean your carpets, or you can hire a cheap construction worker to install chairs in your lounge, and they will install them backwards.